So let's just see that how we can solve this question into MATLAB. First, what I can do, I'll first create the variables, the values that given in these questions. Okay, 20. Okay, like this 20200. Okay, B 1030. C is 460. Again, I'm defining this variable RAB. Okay, and this RAC. Okay, so this variable I'm applying this B minus C and C minus A. Okay, so let me run this section first. Okay, so it will give me it will give me these expressions, right? Again, if I want to find out the area, so what I can do, I'll just give this command area underscore true is equal to cross. I'm using this cross function, and now I need to know that I want to know this cross the behind the the importance of this cross function. So how I can do this? I'll just select this cross function, just right click and take the help on cross. Okay, so this is MATLAB inbuilt function cross. So this will open a offline directory for me. Just a second. Okay, so this is a offline directory will MATLAB will open for me. Okay, so whenever you are installing MATLAB into your system, so this all documentation will install with that software, right? So what is cross function is? Cross is a function that we can find out the product, right? And to find out the syntax, so MATLAB will give you the complete solution that C is equal to cross A and B. Okay, so this will be a like small description. So what is the cross function, how we can use using some different vectors. Also along with this, with that description, MATLAB also gives you some the examples that you can take a reference from it and you can solve your examples or the mathematical equations, right? Okay, so cross function that I'm find out the product here from this RAB and RAC. Okay, so let me run this. Okay, so from that what I can do, I'm creating this area underscore true variable 0 0 and 42, right? So again find out again I want to do this the square root functions. I want to find out this on this, the area underscore 2 into square of 2. Okay, so I'm applying this square root function on this area underscore 2 into square of 2. Okay, so let me uncomment this. And if I run this thing, so it will give me the value of the area underscore and CC, right? So I can use this square root function to, to find out the area underscore 2, right? I can say that I can the area that I can find using this mathematical function or the MATLAB functions into it is inbuilt functions. Okay, I can also do like user defined function here.